Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited to talk to you girls. Every day I look forward to us having our handbag conversations. So today's video is going to be a fun video. I have my lovely Michael Kors Bedford satchel right here. And I just wanted to go ahead and show you lovely ladies some of the contents that I have and the way I was carrying this lovely bag. Also, additionally, something that I'll be doing today, we're going to cover in this video is, I wanted to go ahead and do a DIY, a do-it-yourself, a DIY, as well as a hack for handbags. So I have several of these lovely belt bags right here that I recently picked up from TJ Maxx. And what I wanted to do today was do a little DIY and a hack on how you can convert your belt bag to a makeup pouch. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to go ahead and convert these 3 Michael Kors belt bags to a makeup pouch, go ahead and keep on watching. Stick with me until the end of the video. So before we get to that, the first thing that I wanted to talk about was my lovely Michael Kors Bedford satchel. I absolutely am loving this handbag. It's in vanilla. The lovely color is called vanilla, as well as pale pink. And I've just been really enjoying all the girly items that I have been able to wear with this lovely bag. So I have this beautiful, beautiful, cute little Radley of London. And I think I have a couple of pictures that I can show you guys that have these accessories in them. So I have this cute, adorable little Radley of London wallet. The cutest thing about this little wallet, of course, is Radley of London is known for the little pups and the little dogs on all of their little wallets. So adorably cute, you guys. And sometimes it's pictured with the little travel suitcases and always like the little palm trees, like on a vacation. The beautiful interior of this lovely wallet is a beautiful coral color. Look at how pretty that coral color is. I love pink and coral together. If you don't know, I have a Chanel jumbo flat bag that has beautiful pink and coral. Those 2 colors mixed together is just like fine wine, you girls. So I love this Radley of London little pouch, as well as I have some of my Revolution and different eyeshadow palettes in my handbag. I was just feeling girly pink, so I brought out a lot of adorable, cute girly pink colors of different items to wear with my lovely handbag. Also, I have my Kate Spade pouch right here. And like I said, there's a couple of different little photos that I have with different of my SLGs that I'm carrying in this handbag. They look so, so cute together. Additionally, I have my little bee pouch from Amazon that looks so adorably cute because that pale pink is just fire, you guys. I shouldn't say fire, I should say, it reminds me of ice cream. These colors just remind me of like cotton candy or like ice cream. They're so, so pretty. So I wanted to share what all I was carrying in my lovely Michael Kors Bedford satchel, but I know you guys are here for that hack. So let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So I wanted to talk about these 3 lovely Michael Kors belt bags that I have right here. They're so, so cute. These are so cute. They're going to go with your Bedford satchel as well as any other of your Michael Kors bags. Now with these belt bags, you can go ahead and wear them crossbody. They look so adorable crossbody. Or, you can wear them, you can buy them and purchase them for your little sister or for your niece or even grown women. We can carry this size. It's a smaller size belt bag. It's not as large as like my Coach Terrain belt bag, which is like a humongous belt bag. So this is more of a petite belt bag. It's for, a smaller frame or even, someone my size, anyone can wear it. But if you don't want to go ahead and use it as a belt bag, then what you can do, and I have an example that I already did here. Prior example. This is one of them that I went ahead and I converted a while ago. And it was a belt bag, but I just went ahead and took the straps off and made it a makeup pouch. So now I can carry this lovely makeup pouch in any one of my Michael Kors bags. Basically, all I'm going to be doing is cutting the straps off. Now, if you have anxiety about that, if you have a weak stomach, if you can't handle it, I'm just preparing you because I'm going to let you know that I have my trusty scissors right here. And I will go ahead and I will be cutting off the straps. Now, this is the way the item came when I purchased it from TJ Maxx. You can see I still have the price tag and everything on there still. I'm not even going to pop that off because when I go ahead and convert the bag, that's all going to be gone. And Michael Kors, or sometimes some some brands, not just Michael Kors, sometimes they have the strap for the belt bags where you can pull it out. You can pull the strap completely out. Then you wouldn't have to convert this pouch. If you pull the strap out, you would automatically have a pouch that you can use. Now, I don't know why they don't do that all the time. It would be such a plus for handbag women like me if the companies would make the belt bag with a strap that you can just pull out. Then that way you could utilize it as a belt bag when you want to, or you can utilize it as a makeup pouch, cosmetics case. Since they didn't do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have to physically cut the straps off. Now, you can use an X-Acto knife that you can purchase like from Michael's or somewhere for crafts. If you use an X-Acto knife, be very, very careful because when you use the X-Acto knife, much like one that you would use in like drafting or for arts and supplies, if you use the X-Acto knife, you want to be careful. You don't want to cut all the way through the material and then, cut the interior of the belt bag or the cosmetics case. So you would have to be very, very careful if you use an X-Acto knife or a one-sided razor blade. So I'm just gonna use some good old-fashioned scissors. I'm just gonna go ahead and freestyle, just like I did with this one. And fingers crossed, you guys, I'm hoping that this little hack turns out good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first one right here, right on camera with you guys. And I'm going to try to cut as close to the material as I can, but I don't want to cut into the stitching. And if I mess it up, it's okay. We're going to live another day. I'm hoping these scissors can even do it because maybe the scissors, okay, I'm able to do it. I was going to say maybe the scissors can't even do it, but the scissors, look, we already have one off. We already have one completely off, and it's looking pretty good. Look at that. It did a clean cut. So I did it with the scissors and I was able to do a clean cut. So I would say that's successful. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Let's do it really quickly on camera right here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off without trying. I don't want to cut into the seam. I want to get enough of the strap off, but I don't want to cut into the seam. And I want to smooth, hopefully, it's kind of impossible sometimes to do it in one stroke, but I don't want to have a jagged edge. The material is thick for scissors, though. You see me straining. The material was kind of thick for scissors, but I was able to do it. Okay, perfect. I got the other one off. And look at that. This is what she looks like. Okay? We're okay. We made it. We're breathing. We're still alive. We have a beautiful cosmetics case now. So me, preferably, I don't really want to use this type as a belt bag. I want to use this type as a makeup pouch. Now it can fit inside my Bedford satchel as a makeup pouch. You see, now it could fit in the handbag. So look at how cute this makeup pouch is going to be. It'll be able to go with all your other Michael Kors bags, you guys. You'll be able to use it. Let's go ahead and do another one. I think I'm going to go ahead and do this pretty one right here. I'm going to go ahead and do this cute one right here. So let me go ahead and flip it over and cut it off. I'm going to do the same thing, just really quickly, a quick DIY hack by just cutting off the strap and converting this belt bag into a makeup pouch by simply just cutting off the strap. Another one down. Let's do the other side. I'm going to cut into it. And I have to admit, the scissors is doing the trick. It is doing it. Look at how quickly I was able to do that, you guys. Now I have another, look at that. You wouldn't even know. You can't tell me that you would know if you saw me with this and I took this out my bag. You wouldn't know that this was a belt bag. You would think it was a makeup pouch. It's a beautiful makeup pouch. Now I have two of these and you can just go so on and so forth. I will be able to develop a whole makeup pouch collection with these belt bags, you guys, and they're pretty costly. The Michael Kors makeup pouches in the store can be pretty costly. So when the belt bags come in, they're quite affordable. I would recommend that you girls just go ahead and pick up a few of them and you can convert them the same way I did. Look, I have the extra straps right here. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to have a second use for these. I don't think I could repurpose these into anything else. I may go ahead and toss these. I'm going to hold on to them for a while and try to creatively think of something. But in the meantime, I have these two lovely belt bags right here. So yes, ladies, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick with me for more videos. Love you guys. See you in my next video.